Ria Kenya Accreditation Service Kenas nigo yakorro musangerekano Gosangereria Ebirengererio Biabananchi igoro yechinchera chingia chibwaneta kubeko kwenekya buna EBINTO byonsi biri bikorosiwe meyense ya Kenya koni wabire ase ECHIIRO yechinse ISIKO abwase bono amachiko abu asabirwa nyarako bagakobekwa herinde gusegeta obaremu ase abagori bechinse ISIKO nonyana bo nigo bono bayakire serikali mbuyo mono ase okobeka gusogosira emeroberio yo yaenekiwe yirichiki sato ase ense ya Kenya murikito weekly forenge na twargandio roboturo
naso musangerekano Gosangereria Ebirengererio Biabananchi iguru yechinchera chingia chokomento bokorari aso bonchereria anenekigema ECHIIRO ISIKO yense ya Kenya omusangerekano yo wariganetiwe ne shirika ria Kenya Accreditation Service Kenyas asa magacho bolemi akisi ATC ime yomochobo songo.
We have subjected 3 documents to the public for the last nearly 3 weeks. These are the legal instruments, including the General Regulations 2025, which basically operationalize the Kenya Accreditation Service Act. Since this act was enacted in 2019, there have not been any regulations in place, so we have worked on general regulations. There were also some minor amendments in 2024, which made accreditation mandatory, and therefore it was necessary that we work on some draft regulations to subject to the public.
Kagokwana nabararia maiga yo gukura musangerekano yo NIGO Waltongeti oyore omosi yo bwekyombe ekyogia Kenas asingerera igoro yo kwa gubosibole bwo gukora bonchereria abo asata babuna na erenchirengia yo kokinyo bale muno kwegena gotia saba gole bebinto bikurwa imense ya Kenya gotia chinse ISIKO.
The other document which we have been subjecting to the public are legal fees regulations 2025. Since 2009, which is 17 years ago, we've never had a situation where we revise our fees. There have been inflationary issues, and also just the way we had structured our fees required some sort of review, and we have now reviewed, and we are also subjecting that to the public for comments and input as is required by our constitution. We do this because we are mandated then to give a third-party assurance that these entities that are undertaking testing, certification and inspection do this because they have the full competence to undertake the work, and that these activities then meet international requirements. By and large, when we do this, then it's the test results or any certificates that these entities issue can be accepted globally within the arrangement within which Kenas then is a member on behalf of Kenya.
Ronyangeno yoro director bwe Rwanda imense ya Kenya nigasingerera buna ebinto bya bikoreshwe imense ya Kenya nebya nandengo kirabire birengo bya maganio y'ECHIIRO y'echinse ISIKO.
What we manufacture and what we trade meets that required standards and the quality. We normally trade within the regional economic bloc that comprises of 8 partner states. Kenya is also a member of COMESA. Kenya is also a member of ACFTA, that is African Continental Trade Area. And of course, in the wide perspective, this country is also a member of WTO. So when we are trading across all these regional blocks, our main purpose is to ensure that all the required goods and services that we trade, either trade in goods or trade in service, meets that international standards. In any international arena, if your products and services do not meet the required standard.
Nonyana boni go serikali yense ya Kenya ya kirobuna mbimono asogosire emeroberio yo Gosangereria Ebirengererio Biabananchi rekomanya amaganyabo nanake masaya ERENGETE obonia bwebinto byense ya Kenya asichinze ISIKO.
The turnout has been very impressive, and because of the constitutional requirements, it is our belief that at the end of the day, all the information that we are going to get will assist us at least to chart the best way forward. So therefore, allow me to really thank the government of the day through His Excellency the President that agencies have been enabled is one way of making sure that we expand our economy.
na bono nigera bebuya ekere ebinto bire bikorosibwe emensi ya Kenya bira onigwe ase kinse chesiko no bolemo bonene korwa sabagori inkoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa sabagatagati omuchibo songe county ya Kisii eriteriane Wycliffe Orenge.